You want to see what real muscle looks like? Step into my garage and feast your eyes on this '71 Chevy Chevelle. I dragged her in as a rusted-out shell, but I saw the beast hiding underneath all that grime and neglect. Now she's packing a fire-breathing 454 big block that'll rattle your fillings and wake the neighbors 3 blocks over. Shiny black paint, white stripes so crisp they could cut glass, and just enough chrome to blind you at sunrise. Inside, it's all business. Bucket seats, hearse shifter, no distractions, just pure, raw driving. Turn the key and that big block snarls to life, spitting thunder and gasoline dreams that'll make your heart pound. Out back, fat tires grip the pavement like a jealous lover refusing to let go. Every panel, every bolt, hand-tuned, hand-polished, made to go fast and look mean. She doesn't just turn heads, she snaps necks and leaves jaws on the floor. Around here, pretty women hand me wrenches and cold beers while the curious line up to watch the magic happen. This Chevelle isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling legend built to dominate the streets. Think your ride can top her? Drop your dream car in the comments. Let's see what you've got.